Hi, seventh graders. We're just going to talk a little bit more about proportional relationships and talk about a rule or an equation that they follow. So all proportional relationships have an equation in the form of y equals kx, where k represents the constant of proportionality, which really is called the unit rate. So when you think about unit, think 1. So situations that have a unit rate, price per gallon. Right? You go to a gas station and it tells you the price per 1 gallon of gas. You go up to that deli that we've been talking about and it tells you the price per 1 pound of meat or cheese. Miles per gallon. If you're gonna go buy a car, they advertise how many miles you can travel in 1 gallon, the gas mileage, right? So there's lots of things that deal with unit rate. But unit rate in this equation, we call the constant of proportionality. And it replaces k in this equation. That's the only part of the equation that gets replaced. So while we're talking about price per or miles per gallon, let's say that we have a car that we know travels 25 miles per gallon. And we want to put it into our rule. So this part is quite simple. All you do is replace k with our unit rate, which is 25. So y equals 25x. Okay? So that means however much gas I have, I can multiply it by 25 to figure out how many miles I can go. Or the other way around, however many miles I need to go, okay, I can figure that out by figuring out what times 25 is that number. So, and just to clarify, we have x equals our gallons and y equals our miles. So let's say I know I have 4 gallons of gas left. So I'm going to replace x with 4. So 25 times 4, that gives me 100. So if I've got 25, if my car goes 25 miles per gallon and I have 4 gallons left, I go 100 miles. Okay? Now, no matter what I plug in for x, it will give me y, because this is a proportional relationship. If I have 3 gallons of gas, that's going to take me 75 miles. Okay? And it also works the other way. I might know I have 200 miles to go, and I know that my gas mileage is 25 miles per gallon. How many gallons of gas do I need in order to go 200 miles? Okay, that's 8. I need 8 gallons. Okay, so this equation, y equals kx, is an equation that relates the quantities in a proportional relationship.